Specifically on Mullen stock, as the last video I made was talking about how August 3rd, Tuesday, I believe, of next week, is a crucial week and a crucial time here for Mullen Automotive in general. I'm also getting a lot of comments saying, why am I making videos on Mullen if I currently don't have a position? And I did have a position in Mullen. I had a position for a very long time. Obviously, I just make YouTube videos for fun, so I just like talking about Mullen stock specifically, and to be honest, it generates a lot of interest. So there's obviously people that are interested in watching these videos, so I'm going to continue to make them. So anyways, Mullen Automotive, like I said, August 3rd is the shareholder meeting, which is a crucial day, in my opinion, here for shareholders. So much is kind of hindering on what happens in the outcome of the shareholder meeting. So it's important to, if you are a shareholder, make sure you probably attend the meeting if you can. If not, you probably should be voting with the Mullen proxy, or depending on if you got the voting paperwork and stuff through the mail. Hopefully you guys are doing that. But again, let's not waste any time. I just want to get into this update video. Obviously, it's Friday. The trading market is, in fact, closed. Mullen closed at 12 cents today. So, again, not the greatest day, again, for Mullen Automotive. Again, though, for like the 15th, 20th straight day, in the top 5 of most heavily traded cryptos in the market, you can see your Mullen Automotive, 12 cents. It closed today, but 169 million trades. Friday, we usually see a little bit less trading volume in general, but 169 here. We can see your Mullen on average trading at around 223 average trading volume. So a little bit down from the average, but still the most heavily traded stock on the market today. I just want to get into a few things here. One, shout out to Financial Journey, by the way. Go ahead and you guys check out Financial Journey. He's like one of the reasons, or not one of the reasons, but he sparked my interest in Mullen Automotive initially, and then I started making videos myself. But shout out to Financial Journey, you guys. He makes great content on Mullen Automotive as well. But he tweets, the greater forces want Mullen to be below 10 cents to force a greater reverse split and destroy investors even more. This is time for David to unleash PR. It's got 16.3 reviews, right? So obviously, Financial Journey on YouTube, he's reached out or tried to reach out for David McCree because he is like a CEO who you can kind of reach, right, to a degree. I mean, you look at this here, and so this is a snippet, right, from, I guess, an interview someone had with David McCree. And so this tweet here says, $Mullen. Not sure if you caught that, but does David McCree have some type of dealings with Elon Musk and Tesla? David was hush about EV giant Tesla. What is David not telling us? So I'm going to play the clip really quickly, just for you guys.
Recognize, the 10,000-pound, gorilla in the room that opened the door and made it possible for a guy like me to follow his dream and be able to build.
David, is it permissible, and it may not be permissible? Are we allowed to talk about that or no?
No.
Now, this was obviously a while back, this exact quote, but like it just goes to show you that like this tweet alone is what I'm specifically talking about. That people really think David McCree is like out here scamming, and I'm not saying he is or he isn't, but like he made some promises, to these retail investors, and how he was going to support retail and how he was going to XYZ this and that specifically for like retail investors. And it's been pretty much the complete opposite, right? We see other tweets as well. People coming for David McCree. It's about to get very interesting. Now, if David McCree takes RS off the table, this thing will fly you like you have never seen before. So then there's also the bulls here, because there has been good news coming out with Mullen. It seems like over the last 7 to 10 days or so, it seems like we have seen some good news, right? Randy Marion announcing they're completely sold out of the Class 1 and Class 3 until December of 2023. Now, we haven't seen them actually reach customers yet, but them coming out and saying they're sold out. There's like the Bollinger Motors creating possibly 100+ jobs in Michigan. Obviously, Mullen Automotive has a significant controlling interest in that. So there has been good news, right? But the reverse split being on the table, I think, is kind of pulling investors in a negative way, and it's creating this kind of just negative cast or cloud is being casted over Mullen right now. So that's why I think we will see some clarity here after the August 3rd shareholder meeting. And then this as well. People are talking about Mullen Automotive potentially going to the OTC market. right? And this is BBIG, Vingo Ventures, now an OTC stock, I guess, and it's down 60%, right? And you can see here, as for you Mullen holders saying OTC will be a blessing, think about what's happening to BBIG. 809K volume, 60% in drop in price. Don't expect anything different from Mullen, right? You need the 1 in 100 reverse split, which would be absolutely crazy. But let me know in the comments below if you're holding Mullen, if you're for the split or you're not for the split. Obviously, like I said, August 3rd is a crucial day because things go one way or another here depending on what happens and what we gather from that specific meeting. So again, there's also, I wanted to share, here's an article. I guess there's significant shorting or short interest here in Mullen Automotive. You can see here a short interest has surged. Share prices in EV company have fallen. This is the short interest charts for Mullen. And you can see down here, Mullen stock is down more than 99% in the last year, leaving the company with no choice but to issue another reverse stock split this year if unable to maintain the Nasdaq's $1 bid requirement. In June, the company introduced a new 1-for-100 max ratio reverse stock split in its updated SEC filing. The company has said that it's reason to believe that it has become a target of naked short selling, the illegal practice of short selling shares that have not been affirmatively determined to exist, but more on that below. Famous lawyer known for fighting market against injustices says naked shorting is a worldwide problem. Obviously, David Mickery has come out and talked about this as well. He announced earlier in July that he's retained a lawyer here in regards to this naked short activity. So just in general, right, you see this stuff about the shorting, you see this stuff about David Mickery doing X, Y, and Z, and people, like if you go on Twitter, $MULN, like people are coming for David Mickery, guys. People are coming for him. Saying, I mean, I'm not holding Mullen anymore. So again, I'm watching from the sidelines, but I think it's giving me kind of a unique perspective to watch Mullen stock now from the sidelines because of, I'm not a holder. So I just have like an average or I don't know the word I'm looking for, but like an intermediary take on things that are going on. So again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.